So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in autoplay settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to turn this off. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in task manager. Click on it. If you have Windows Explorer in this list, then just simply click on it one time and then click on restart task. Your screen's going to go black, then it's going to return to normal. See if that works. For the next method, go to search and type in File Explorer options. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to select Restore Defaults. Go to the View tab, select Restore Defaults, Search tab, Restore Defaults. Once you do all of this, click on OK. If you do have some settings that were set earlier, then just set them again, and then click on OK. For the next method, go to search and type in Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it. And now once we're here, click on Scan Options, and then click on Full Scan. You can scan for any malware on your device, so click on Scan Now. It's then going to run this scan for you. It will take a while though, but it's always good to check for any malware on your device. For the last method, go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on Yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on Enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on Enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.